Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Spacious 3-bedroom 2-bath home with bonus room. Very well-maintained home with convenient access to the base through the back gate. Located on an acre corner lot, no through traffic, street ends and cul-de-sac. Freshly painted throughout. Large eat-in kitchen with sliding door out to patio. Kitchen has lots of cabinets, refrigerator with icemaker, dishwasher, electric oven stove. Living room with ceiling fan, gas fireplace, no logs provided. Large master suite. Lots of closets and storage 2-car garage. Covered front porch. Pet must be approved by homeowner.